I always believe that young people have a fundamental role to play in promoting peace. My name is Antonis Kourras and I am the Vice President of Cyprus Youth Council. Cyprus Youth Council was founded in 1996 as a non-governmental, non-profit organization. Members of it can be youth organizations, either NGOs or youth political parties. It aims at promoting dialogue and cooperation between all young people from all the communities and minorities of Cyprus. Therefore, in the frame of 4th Open Door Festival, we organize a peace education workshop in collaboration with the Association for Historical Dialogue and Research and the Home for Cooperation. Using different experiential activities and the methodology of peace education, we draw attention to the importance of combating climate change as a way to promote a culture of peace throughout the world. Peace is inside all of us. We just need to share it.